Okay, we're going to set Wi-Fi for the Dejavoo Z8 terminal. First, we're going to select the F1 option, and this is going to give us a service menu. We're going to scroll down and select the core menu, and then from there, we're going to scroll to the utility menu. We're going to enter the password, manager password of 1, 2, 3, 4, and enter. And we're going to scroll down to communications. Then we're going to go local parameters and select Wi-Fi. We want to ensure that our Wi-Fi is enabled, so we'll select that, and it is enabled, so we're going to select F4 to go back. We're going to select settings, and from settings we're going to select our Wi-Fi option or hotspot option, and then enter in the password. And once that go ahead and select the green OK key. And it shows that it is connected, so we can go ahead and select the red X and red X again, and then it shows at the top there that we do have the Wi-Fi on and the Wi-Fi is connected.